Do you have any questions, sir?
No fucking nerves!
You were charged with indecent exposure. You wanted to do the PC on indecent?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with indecent exposure. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
May 26, 2024, officers were dispatched to a defendant touching his private area at the Metro-owned downtown transit center located on 1900 Main Street, Harris County, Texas. Officer was advised by Metro Dispatch that the complainant called and stated that the defendant was exposing himself to her. Complainant told officers that the defendant was a black male in a blue hoodie and boarded a Metro bus, and then ultimately pointed the bus that he had boarded. Matching the description, and complainant witness confirmed that that was the same person. Complainant stated that the defendant followed her from across the street, pulled out his penis, and started exposing it to her and looking at her. She further stated that the defendant began stroking his penis back and forth with his hands, looking at her without speaking, approximately 5 to 10 feet away. The complainant stated that she was unable to tell if he was erect, but she was able to clearly see his penis as he was stroking.
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, the officers approached 2 males. I have to wait on body cam to see what the other male looked like, but my client's saying that wasn't him. He just...
I mean, I don't know. I think that there's probable cause to go forward now. Mr. Lane. Mr. Lane, we will get the body cam to ensure and see if that is in fact you, because we don't know. All we know is that we have someone that has identified you. I will try to have them get the body. Do you have it now? What evidence do you have now?
This is a brand new case, Your Honor. This is the 26th, so I don't know. There's nothing in yet, so I literally just wrote this up before I came to court.
Okay, I will, Mr. Lane, I will try to have them get the information and the body cams as quick as possible so we can verify that it is you. I would say let's try hopefully a week. The problem is that I can't give you a PR bond because you continue to take off on us. I had your evading arrest at 7503 because we can't get you here. So, okay. Do you have any questions, sir?
No fucking nerves!
Right now, you're on probation for a felon in possession of a weapon. You're also on probation for possession of a controlled substance in the felony case. You picked up in April with us, you picked up an assault bodily injury. You have literally been given 3 PR bonds and you continue to take off.
I didn't get PR bonds, sir.
But you have. I'm showing that you failed to appear 516.
I just got a PR bond, sir. Excuse me.
Most of the day.
So Roberto, please don't go. Okay, so I have 3 different occasions that you failed to appear. I cannot, in my good conscience, give you a PR bond when you continue to take off, because I know if we give you another PR bond, what's going to happen?
I haven't had a PR bond, sir. I bonded out, and it's the only reason I'm back right here right now, sir, is because someone took their name off the bond. I haven't did anything else and gotten in trouble. Someone just took their name off the bond because I couldn't get a co-signer. That's the only reason I'm back in jail right now.
I also have that you have failed to appear on 3 different occasions. Okay. So so what we're doing, regardless, Your bonds are set at $55,000 upstairs.
And I'm gonna make the bond this Saturday. That way I can take care of this stuff
You
better.
make the bond, I am now going to make you wear a GPS monitor so I know where you are at all times, okay?
Yes, sir.
But I cannot give you a PR bond in this case, okay? Because you just don't show up when we ask you to show up. So, regardless, you have Greg representing you now. If you do get out, please stay in contact with him. If you get out, you post bond and you jet on me again, Ms. Gilardoni, I'm going to triple, if not quadruple the bond.
Thank
You
you, Judge.
understand?
Yes, sir.
All we're asking you to do is show up.
All right.
That's it. And stay out of trouble,
All right.
okay?
Yes, sir.
I know that the felony courts are trying to have you evaluated as well. Do it, because if you don't, the only thing it does is it prolongs your case even more,
Okay.
okay?
Yes, sir.
I think that we're okay. I don't think that there's,
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
yeah. So,
I don't think I'm not showing a felony court date for her, but then I was showing,
I am showing 7/29.
okay, you got that 7/29 phone.
Your court date for your felony cases are July 29th, okay?
Yes, sir.
We don't do that long, okay? We'll do just 30 days and then we'll come back and then go from there.
Okay, Your Honor, perfect.
Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. All right, good luck, Ms. Gilardoni.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna tell you now, you ever take off on me again, I will put you over my knee and I'm gonna spank you with so much of a high bond, you're gonna go flip and split into three. Do you understand, Mr. Chavez?
Sir.
As it stands now, I'm rolling this case to tomorrow to see whether they're gonna honor their offer. And if not, then I'm just gonna set your case for trial. Be back.
This is already a serious accusation. In Texas, indecent exposure can lead to jail time. But the key question in court is probable cause, basically whether there's enough evidence to move the case forward. But here's the twist. The defense attorney is already hinting that the suspect might have been misidentified. Could this be a case of mistaken identity?
Know exactly what's gonna happen. Do you understand? See you tomorrow.
Just hold off right there.
You charged with theft, aggregate theft. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the amount. So you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am.
On March 13, 2024, officers were dispatched to the 7-Eleven gas station, complainant viewed on surveillance that now defendant skip scanning and not charging customers for Texas scratch-off lottery tickets and Texas online lottery tickets into the 7-Eleven's point-of-sale computer system. She totaled 52 tickets that had been stolen on April 25th, 2024, valued at $574. And there were also online Texas lottery ticket printout by the defendant, 58 tickets valued at $220.50. And so she's been charged with theft ag, Class A misdemeanor.
So I don't get, you went fast. What happened?
So she
Did you
skipped.
skip scanning?
Yes, Judge, and into the point-of-sale computer system, and so she stole a value of $574 worth of scratch-off lottery tickets and printed out $220 worth of 58 tickets that were not also entered into the point-of-sale system. So it's a theft aggregate.
And I'm curious, if you skip scan lottery tickets and you win, what happens? It's a rhetorical question, but I gotta imagine nothing good
I'm gonna
happens.
do some research on that.
If you win $3 million on a skip scan, what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
You forfeit it anyways?
Now, this is where things get interesting. The judge isn't just looking at this case, he's looking at the defendant's history. In court, your past behavior matters. If someone repeatedly fails to appear in court, judges often refuse a PR bond because they believe the person might run again. And that's exactly what's happening here.
Now your bond is set at $100. Do you want a PR bond?
She wants some PR bond. She's
Okay.
trying to save as much money as she can.
I will not, I'm telling you now, I'll give you a PR bond, but you'll never get another one.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Okay. So, Mr. Kim, do you mind filing no contact, no going back, and then no new cases, please? Now, you have a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Mercer. If he tells you that he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, you're ducking and dodging his phone calls, I will revoke your bond. I'll issue a warrant for your arrest. I will waive your appearance so you don't have to mindlessly come to court, but you always must stay in touch with him. He'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court, okay? For now, I'm gonna have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, we'll have you take your seat in the jury box, or we'll get all your paperwork ready. We'll have you sign it, and after that, you'll be free to go. Okay.
Thank you.
You're now charged with 2 DWI seconds. You know, the only thing that we want in our country, we want our streets to be safe. Do you know that Harris County leads the nation per capita in DWI fatalities? Guys, keep it down, please. We lead the nation in fatalities. And here you are charged with 2 open DWI seconds. What is it going to take to get through to you? Is it someone dead where you go to prison for 30 to 40 years? Is that what it's going to take? Understand that if you ever come back to this country and you're in a car driving and you get pulled over, an officer is going to see DWI, DWI, DWI. If they smell alcohol, what do you think they're going to do to you?
He said, me va a castigar.
He's gonna punish me,
Pero yo ya no pienso volver.
but I don't think I'm gonna come back.
I didn't hear you. We'll get there. But if you're caught in a car with alcohol on your breath, what do you think officers will do to you when they see your record?
Es cuando vean el récord, que te vean que estás borracho, que crees que van a hacer ellos.
Me van a meter a la cárcel.
You're gonna go to prison.
Not jail, prison. From now on, because of your history, you'll be facing a minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. Not only that, you're now being deported to your country of origin. If you come back, the feds can hit you with an illegal re-entry, and then with that, you're looking at a minimum of 5 years in federal prison on that one as well. So I would be very careful if you come back, how you come back. Because you could be the next time be facing a lot of time in prison. The only thing we want are streets to be safe. That's all we're asking to do. If you're gonna go drink 15 beers, find another way home. Don't drive.
Manejas, encontrar otra manera de llegar a casa, pero no manejes.
Do you understand?
¿Tienes? Sí. Yes.
Guys, keep it down. I'm not asking for much.
No estoy pidiendo mucho.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement, Mr. Gutierrez. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this. Like I told you now, you will be deported. If you come back illegally, you could be facing a lot of time in federal prison, so I would be very careful. Not only that, you get into a car with alcohol, you're going to be facing even more time with up to 10 years. How do you plead to this offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
This decision shows how judges try to balance public safety and fairness. Instead of releasing the defendant freely, the court orders a GPS monitor. That means the court can track his location 24/7. It's basically the judge saying, you can be free, but I'm watching you.
Drive.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, good.
Oh, hold on. Roberto, case was enhanced.
No preguntar si es cierto o no es cierto que tenéis un previo para decir si es cierto.
Is it true or
Yeah.
untrue that you had a prior DWI from 2015 here in Court 5?
5. ¿Es cierto o no es cierto? Yes, it's true.
True to the enhancement. Okay, good luck.